If you trade crypto, stocks, forex as a beginner or even as a pro, watch this video to the end as we'll be giving you pro cryptocurrency trading tips. Crypto trading tips that you must know as a trader. The best trading tactics often come from years of investing in cryptocurrency markets. The first cryptocurrency tip I have for you is to have a strategy for crypto trading. Try to look critically at the project you want to go into or the platform before diving into it. How many users does that project have? What problem does it solve? Avoid coins that promise the whole earth but haven't delivered anything tangible yet. Yes, there's a whole lot of hype, there's a whole lot of noise, but avoid the noise before you go into any particular project, before you purchase any tokens or any coin. Make sure that you've done your due diligent research. You should have a strategy. Don't just go into project for the sake of going into project. My number 2 trading strategy is risk management is key. Very, very important. Cryptocurrency trading is a high risk business and more traders lose money than those that don't. Alright, so you see a lot of gains. Many people don't actually post their losses, they post their wins. Alright, listen to that again. Many people don't post their losses, they post their wins. So a whole lot of people, especially newbies, are carried away by the many wins and they think it's a smooth ride all the way. Set limits on how much you invest in a particular digital currency and don't be tempted to trade with more money than you can afford to lose. Risk management is key. My number 3 pro tip for cryptocurrency trading is to diversify your portfolio. Diversify your crypto portfolio. It doesn't pay to have too much invested in one single cryptocurrency. Or, as they say, don't put all your eggs in one basket. You have $1,000. Why put 80% of the funds on a single coin? Or even put 100% of the coins on a single coin? Why don't you find 5 solid projects and diversify your portfolio accordingly? You can decide to invest 300 in one, 100 in one, 400 in one, and the other. As the case may be, it must not necessarily be equal. You can diversify your portfolio to be safe. As with stocks and shares, spread your money out among different digital currencies. This means you don't risk being overexposed should one of them plummet in value, especially as the market prices of these investments are highly volatile. My number 4 pro crypto trading tip for you is to think long term. Whoever knew that Bitcoin that was $26 about 8 years ago will be worth almost $40 something as it stands now? If it even got to its all-time high of 67,000 USDT, whoever will have thought of that? Alright, so if you're investing in crypto, think long term. Prices can rise and fall quite dramatically day in, day out. Prices can rise and fall quite dramatically day in, day out. And novice traders are often duped into panic selling when prices are low. Leaving your money in the crypto market for months or years at a time could offer you the best reward. That is super important. Don't ignore this. Then the bonus pro tip for crypto traders is do not for any reason borrow money to start your cryptocurrency journey. Alright, so you have to be mentally stable while you are trading crypto. You must not for any reason try to borrow funds from third party, from family and friends in order to start your crypto trading. That can be very, very disastrous. That can have negative impact in your sanity, because when the chips get down, you will notice that there will be a lot of pressure from different angles. But if it's your own funds you are trading with, you know how to better manage your risk, you know how to better control your emotions. But if it's someone else's funds, you'll be under pressure to deliver, to make profit, as well as to get the money back to the person that borrowed you the money, as well as to return the funds. Hope these tips helps you to make the best decision. We are using the Gate.io as our default exchange. So Gate.io have been used as our crypto exchange. It has lots of coins and supports lots of market that you can actually trade. Show us some love by smashing that subscribe button right away if you got value from this video. Also like and share this video. Trade responsibly. Peace out.